Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubham Ambore, and I am from Computer Engineering Department from CS2 Division and C22 batch. Today, I will be explaining my topic, that is nested list in Python. So, first, I will be explaining what is list. So, list is nothing but list is collection of items stored in single variable, and list have some properties which are list are ordered, list are mutable, and list are allowed to duplicate. It means it inside the list contain duplicate element like 8 also element contained. List are heterogeneous, dynamic in size, matlab list have dynamic size, and list are indexed, and list support nested list. So actually our topic is that what is nested list. So moving forward, the our topic, that is nested list. So introduction to nested list. Nested list is nothing but a list inside the another list. It's called nested list. So basically we have example, that is nested list, which have name nested list in square bracket 1 comma 2 first list, 3 comma 4 second, and 5 comma 6 third one. So there are three lists inside one list. Basically simple explanation of nested list is that outer list is main container and inner list is element inside of it. You can see the example. So moving forward, one basic example, that is already we have nested list in square bracket 1 comma 2 first list, 3 comma 4 second list, and 5 comma 6 third one list. So three inner list which have each contain two elements, and that three list stored in one list, which name have nested underscore list. So how to access element inside the nested list? So nested list, already we have example. So we want to print first element, that is first list, that is 1 comma 2. So we must to print the message, the print in parenthesis nested list, and in square bracket index 0. So it will be printed in list first element of nested list, which is 1 comma 2, the first list. So it will be printed 1 comma 2. And if we printed the message, the print nested list uh, in square bracket 1 and again in square bracket 1, so it will be printed 4, because first index is outer list and second index is for inner list. So inside the nested list we have example. So first element which have index 1, the list is 3 comma 4, and inside the 3 comma 4, the 3 have index 0 and 4 have index 1. So it will be printed 4. So moving forward, the some real life example of nested list is that marks of student. So uh, to store the marks of student individually, we use to nested list. So inside the we have created one list, nested list, which have name marks, and inside the nested list, the marks of two students separated by lists. So first list are marks of one student, and second list is marks of another student. And also it used in shopping category, like item in shopping category, item grouped by category. Like we want to store the milk, bread, like breakfast items, so it will print separated by one list. And we want to store clothes and daily needs, so it will be printed another list. uh, it will be stored in another list. So some application of nested list is that matrix. In matrix, nested list also used, and also in 2D array and table data, and one game, like game which name has tic tac toe. And also fourth one application is that it also used in data analysis. So it is main important of nested list in data analysis. Some advantages and disadvantages of nested list is that organizes complex data, easy to represent table, useful in real world problems. And some disadvantages that are hard to understand for beginners and complex indexing, like which have double indexing, we already see in example. So nested list in loop. So in loop, we are using for loop for accessing element of nested list. So first loop, outer loop, is for inner list, and inner loop for inside elements for inner lists. So we have for I in nested list, for j in I, and it will printed element inside the nested list. Basically, conclusion is that nested list helps to store structured data and very useful in programming and real life application. So thank you.